Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to use WhatsApp in laptop or PC. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, you open your website of WhatsApp. So to open the website, you open Google browser and here you search WhatsApp. So when you search WhatsApp, this type of page will appears in front of you, and here you see the first one link. Click on this, and guys, here you see this use WhatsApp on your computer and use WhatsApp on your computer. So by there's a code, and by scanning this code, you can easily link your WhatsApp by your laptop or by your computer. So let I link my WhatsApp in my laptop by scanning this code. So as you see here guys, when I scan my code, as my chats has been loading, so we just waited. So as you see here guys, my WhatsApp has been opened. So guys, here's all my content, and let I message someone and let I text someone. Here as you see here guys that my content has been here. So let I text someone. So as you see here guys that my message has been delivered. So guys, this is a very easy method to use WhatsApp by login in website in your PC. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Topic Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.